Breaking news. The Uganda People's Defense Forces, UPDF, has officially confirmed the cause of death of Major General Francis Takirwa, bringing clarity to earlier reports that emerged this morning regarding the sudden loss of the senior military officer. In a formal death announcement released by the UPDF, the Army fraternity expressed deep sorrow over the passing of the general, who had been serving as the deputy commander of the UPDF land forces headquartered in Bombo until his illness. According to military sources, Major General Takirwa died in the early hours of the morning at the UPDF National Referral Hospital in Buea, where he had been transferred for specialized long-term care and management following weeks of hospitalization. The announcement was delivered in an official statement issued by Acting Defense Public Information Officer Chris Bagisu. During this broadcast, the full statement was read verbatim to ensure accuracy and transparency to the public. What follows is the full UPDF statement as read on Acholi Pro Evo TV. Death announcement. The UPDF fraternity, with deep sorrow, announces the death of Major General Francis Takirwa, which occurred this morning at about 6 hours at the UPDF National Referral Hospital in Buea. He died from complications of stroke. The general was initially admitted at Nakasero Hospital from December 9, 2025 until yesterday, Friday, February 6, 2026, when he was referred to the UPDF facility for long-term care and management. Until his illness, Major General Takirwa served as the deputy commander of the UPDF land forces headquartered in Bombo. We condole with his family, relatives, and friends. Details of burial arrangements will be communicated later. May his soul rest in peace, Chris Bagisu. The statement confirms that the cause of death was complications resulting from a stroke, which he had been battling for nearly 2 months. His admission at Nakasero Hospital on December 9, 2025 marked the beginning of an intensive medical struggle before his eventual referral to Buea on February 6, 2026. Major General Takirwa was widely regarded within military circles as a disciplined and strategic commander who played a key role in land force operations and institutional leadership. His position as Deputy Commander of Land Forces placed him at the center of operational planning, troop management, and national security coordination. Military analysts say his death creates a significant leadership gap within the UPDF Land Forces command structure at a time when the Army continues to engage in both domestic security operations and regional missions. Condolence messages have begun pouring in from fellow officers, political leaders, and members of the public, many praising his decades of service, professionalism, and commitment to Uganda's stability. As of now, the UPDF has not yet released the official burial program. However, the Army leadership has assured the public that funeral arrangements, including military honors, will be communicated in due course. Acholi Pro Evo TV will continue to follow updates surrounding burial plans, tributes, and reflections on the life and service legacy of Major General Francis Takirwa. May his soul rest in peace.